Hey there, Snapchatters. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest Snapchat tips and tricks to enhance your experience. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's near and dear to many of us: how to send a suggestion to Snapchat about profiles. Your suggestions can help shape the future of profile features on Snapchat. So, let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for the I have a suggestion option. Tap on it to share your valuable suggestions with the Snapchat team. Step 5. Now, you'll see various topics to choose from. Tap on Profile to specifically address your suggestion regarding profile features. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing your suggestion. Be as detailed as possible, explaining the profile feature you'd like to see or any improvements you suggest. Your feedback can make a big difference. Step 7. If you have visual examples or references to support your suggestion, you can add attachments such as pictures. Simply tap on Add Attachments and select the appropriate files. By following these steps, you can easily send your valuable suggestions to Snapchat about profiles, contributing to the app's continuous improvement and enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.